The great American writer Henry Thoreau was imprisoned because he refused to pay tax, which was allegedly used for slave trade. His friend, another great writer, Ralph Waldo Emerson, came to visit him in prison to rebuke him for his defiant behavior. He told him, "Henry, why are you here?" To which he replied, "Ralph, why are you not here?" Dear friends, integrity of a person does not lie in the ability to please everyone, but it lies in standing up for truth, in standing up for principles, in standing up for honesty, which others may not always appreciate. Therefore, dear friends, it is an invitation for you and me today to be an integrated person, standing up for truth, standing up for principles, standing up for honesty, rather than being people who give in to manipulation and hypocrisy.